Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. We're just finishing up our stay at the villas at the Grand Floridian. These are the Disney Vacation Club rooms. We are in a deluxe studio. I can't wait to show you around in a more detailed view. If you were on my Instagram, you would have seen a short room tour when we first checked in. So now we're checking out today, and I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of staying here. We absolutely loved it. We would totally stay here again, but probably not our first choice, and I'll explain why. Let's go check it out. All right, here you are, the door we walk in. As soon as you walk in, there's a split bath, which we actually loved. So you have this nice counter area. There's a drawer here and a drawer here to put things on. They gave us plenty of towels, a little garbage, and this standing shower was awesome. Loved the rain head shower. This room did have the shampoo, conditioner, body soap already attached to the wall, which I think is how all of the Disney resorts are going nowadays. And what was cool is like you could slide this door over so somebody could use this bathroom and even shower while somebody else was getting ready. This is more of your typical shower with tub, and there are the attached shampoo and conditioner as well. We walk out the other door. That's the room, that's the door we walked in on. Here's a door where you could connect to another room. It was a nice little cubby for our bags. Here's the closet, and this was the biggest con of staying here. This is your only storage. They do have extra blankets and pillows, which we used. So this is your only place to put your clothes and store your things while you're staying here. This room does sleep 5, so it really isn't a lot of storage. So that was one con. Pro, this is your kitchenette. When you're staying at a DVC room, little ice bucket, they give you paper bowls, some plastic forks and stuff. You do have a microwave, a little toaster, a Keurig, and they did stock us with some coffee. We've already had them. It was pretty sweet to have paper towels, a little sink, and little fridge. So here is a pull-out bed. I'll show you what it looks like pulled out in a little bit. So that could probably sleep a child or a shorter adult. Queen size bed. And this bed pulls out as well. I will show you that as well, and I'll show you the view from our balcony. But yeah, here is the room. There is no storage in here. There's a little under here that you could hide maybe a wallet or a couple little things, but not like a lot of stuff. Under the main bed, they have 2 drawers. We're kind of psyched. We're like, oh, these are going to be good for storage. Cool, that one pulls all the way out. But look at this one down here. Design flaw. Here we are at the Grand Floridian. You really can't fit anything in that drawer. So that's a bit of a bummer. There's not a ton of like USB plugins either. Another bummer. There was a couple plugs over here to charge phone and my watch. But let me show you the balcony. It was pretty cool. We could see the monorail go by. Over there is the main pool with the water slide, little quick service. That's the main building where you check in, all the other restaurants. We're in room 1205, great view. And there is where the monorail goes by. Here is the child-sized pullout I told you about. How cute, the Dumbo. Watch your toes at night. I could see like stubbing toes. Here is the one out of the wall. So this could fit 2 kids. Love the Mary Poppins aesthetic. There are extra pillows and blankets in the closet. This was relatively easy to pull out too. Boom, nice and easy, and all you do to pull it out. Super easy. Done. Thanks for checking out the video and checking out the room tour. So we really liked staying here. The proximity to the Magic Kingdom was awesome. We went to the Polynesian a lot for food. We didn't love the quick service options here. The other sit-down restaurants here are great. The Enchanted Rose bar that has some great drinks and like late dinner type items, fantastic. Getting to the Magic Kingdom was about a half a mile, maybe a little bit more than a half mile from the DVC side, if not the monorail, one stop away. Polynesian right next door for great dining options. The one big con was the lack of storage. So when you could see all those beds pulled out, it would be tight fit for 5 people and your suitcases and all your stuff. So just something to consider when you're planning your next vacation. Let me know if you have any questions and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much and have a great day.